expansion that is better and easy to solve. Tan x is equal to x plus x cubed by 3 plus 2x to the power 5 by 15 and so on. Normally, we won't require the higher powers. Tan x expansion is nothing but x plus x cubed by 3, x cubed by 3, tan x plus x cubed by 3, 2x to the power by 15, and so on. We won't require the higher powers. We use this expansion for this particular problem. So limit x tending to 0, x plus x cubed by 3 and so on, higher powers are not required, minus x divided by x square into x plus x cubed by 3 and so on. So what happens next step? Limit x tending to 0, minus x and plus x will cancel. We get x cube by 3 plus higher factors divided by x cube plus x to the power 5 by 3 and so on and higher factors. So when we solve x cube, we take common, so it will cancel. Remaining all parts will become 0. You can write like this: limit x tending to 0, x cube by 3 have taken common. We get 1 plus, so on, all will be the higher powers of x divided by x cube 1 plus x square by 3 plus so on, higher powers, x cube will cancel and we get 1 by 3. So this is easier method using the tan x expansion rather than any other method. So tan x equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus 2x to the power 5 by 15 and so on. Even if you put the higher powers as extending to 0, remaining all terms will become 0.